Hey, what's up guys, this is the Orange Hustler and welcome back to another review video. In this video guys, I will make a honest review about GenX Bitcoin commissions brought to you. Let's get started. So first of all, what is GenX Bitcoin Commission? This is a cloud-based software that will allows you to create web pages or landing pages. On these pages you can use your videos or other people's videos, and you can add content, images and buttons. The idea is to add some information about the crypto space and make money with affiliate marketing. You can apply to create to crypto programs like Binance, Crypto.com, KuCoin or any other crypto related platform, and you can also promote other affiliate products with these pages. You are not limited to the crypto niche only, so you will add your affiliate link on these web pages, and when someone will sign up or buy something you promote, you will get an affiliate commission. Can be a free crypto or real money like dollars. The idea is not bad, but in my opinion these web pages are pretty basic, and and of course you need a traffic to make this work. Even though they say on the sales page that the traffic is built in, it's not. No one can send you free traffic. So guys, this is the sales page. World's first free crypto system that sent us daily free Bitcoin. New 100% done for you. Free crypto system pay us plus $127 and free Bitcoin every 24 hours. We're making thousands and free crypto made for beginners, no technical skills, no investment, and 100% risk free. And this is guys some features of the GenX Bitcoin commission. Once activated, they will enjoy the $127 free crypto in every 24 hours. Brand new instant crypto system, 100% done for you crypto system. Works perfect for beginners. Beta testers are loving the results. No experience required. Brand new tech for 2022. Work from home starting today. Quick to your job, travel and enjoy life. Stop failing and finally break through. Unlock the real laptop lifestyle. 180-day money back guarantee and get results when we do it for you. And you can guys scroll all the sales page and see more features and informations about this product. And there is only 3 steps to use the GenX Bitcoin commission. Step number 1 of course is create a username and password, then log in. Step number 2 guys, enter your payment information to activate the system. And finally step number 3, there is no step number 3, just relax and watch the commission go to your bank account. Like I said guys, the sales page have a lot of informations, and like you see guys, this is the Gronkowski. The Gronkowski is a 7-figure affiliate marketing and crypto expert. He lives in California, US, earning the biggest profit we have been seeing in decades. Now guys, let's see the GenX Bitcoin commission from inside. So basically guys, when you log into your account you will find this dashboard. There is here the dashboard, the tutorials, campaigns, done for you, free traffic, the upgrades, help and upgrade. So basically guys, the dashboard have a video shows you how is a welcome video. Like you see, the tutorials have a bunch of videos made by Gronkowski himself, shows you how to use the GenX Bitcoin commission. And step number 3 guys, there is the campaigns. Like you see guys, this is a done for you campaign, or you can create a new one. Let's see this crypto campaign. Click at view here to see it. Like you see, this is the squeeze page URL and the main page. Let's see the squeeze page, and voila, like you see guys, this is the done for you page hosted by the GenX Bitcoin. You just check this page, put your link here and start promote it. And of course guys, you can create a new one by clicking on this bottom here. Like you see, all this section is customizable. There is the general settings, the squeeze page settings, main page settings, creator settings, optional video settings, integrations like autoresponders, like any autoresponder you choose. Like you see guys, and voila, that's it. And here guys, that done for you. Click at done for you. This is a DeFi bonuses. For example, let's see the NFTs bonus. Like you see guys, you when the client click at this bottom here to download the file, you will get a small commission, and he get of course the bonuses. So basically guys, it's 100% free, in 100% easy to use. When you click at free traffic, like you see, this is the Gronkowski, shows you a bunch of methods to get traffic to your landing pages. And of course guys, this is the upgrades: automated traffic, HMH income, license rights, 1K daily, bonus builder. And this is the help if you need any help. It is a support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's so simple guys. So basically guys, this is the GenX Bitcoin commission from inside. Now guys, let's see the price of the GenX Bitcoin commission. Like you see here guys, you will get the brand new Bitcoin software, step-by-step video tutorials, built-in traffic, done for you campaigns, plus $1,000 per day live training, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week support. And you will get also guys available bonuses beside all these features. Bonus number 1 is the 10K Bitcoin commission system, value $1,997. Bonus number 2, 60-second commission guide, value $497. Bonus number 3, Bitcoin 10X advantage strategies, value $297. Bonus number 4, $5 million online profit blueprint, value $997. So basically guys, you will get all these bonuses beside all these features, valued at $14,464. You can get it today for just $17, one-time pay, no monthly fees. And of course guys, you will get a 30 days money back guarantee. No, sorry guys, you will get 180 days money back guarantee if you face a problem using this product or you don't like it. And of course guys, the link of the 10x Bitcoin commission, you can get it in the description below. The first link, click it and get your copy, and I will much appreciate it if you use my link, because I will get a small commission if you do that. Thank you so much guys for watching my 10x Bitcoin commercial review. I really hope it did help you to take a buying decision. This system guys is coming out with many bonuses like I showed you with the early bird. Check your copy guys, the link in the description below. Also guys, if you want me to monetize your YouTube channel, 100% guarantee, or you want to buy a monetized YouTube channel without problems, ready to use, just reach me out. I will leave my Facebook profile in the description below. Take care guys, this is the Orange Hustler, and see you later.